All right, let's blog. Who has a blog here? Wow. Good. That's awesome. All right, good. Because who has a website? All right, you should all have a blog. If you have a if you're convinced that, are you convinced the website's a good thing to have? You're convinced with that, right? Well, I hope I convince you that having a blog is the right thing. You should also have a blog. I mean, there's no reason. If you have a website, you should have a blog. Why should you blog? You can touch and interact with your customers. They talk back to you through your blog. You can keep them updated very easily. You can stay current this way. You can stay relevant. It's very, 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 very easy to add audio content, video content, much easier than throwing it onto a web page. It's ridiculously easy. And here's your big key item. Search engines love blogging. They absolutely love it. Keep in mind what a search engine's doing. Google's the big monster out there. What they really want to do is find relevant sites to drive their customers to. And who are their customers? People that are typing in questions and looking for certain things. They want to drive them to relevant sites. Blogs are considered relevant sites because they constantly update their content. So they love blogs. I mean, I've put up blogs and had them on, first page, second page of Google within 6 hours. I mean, that's how much they love blogs. They love blogs. So you should all be doing it, and it's so easy. Now, I'm going to show this just very quickly. I'm not going to play the whole video.
You set up with a blog if you haven't.
This is on your DVD, okay?
Virally spread, with your search engine results higher than.
It's number 13. In 7 minutes, it'll show you exactly how to set up a blog on your website. It's that, and you'll do it real time with me, and you'll have a blog up on your site. It's so ridiculously easy. It's free, which is even better. And I highly recommend you get a blog today. Here's the procedure. And this, again, is all explained on video number 13 or chapter number 13 on your DVD. But first, I would recommend going to WordPress.org. You use WordPress.org, right? That's what you guys use? Okay, good. And here's a key. I want to make sure you realize this. Org, not com. Don't use .com. All right, .com is WordPress's, it would live on WordPress's server. Okay, so you're just going to be driving traffic to WordPress. With WordPress.org, you can download the WordPress program and put it directly onto your server. So all the traffic goes to you. Very valuable information there. And I can only tell you from experience. I had a WordPress.com site at one point with my More Money with Magic, and it got shut down because I had affiliate links and talked about money. So why would you let anybody else have that kind of control over you? Yeah, it was stupid. It was a bad move. But I was able to pull everything off and put it on a new one. Very important. So you go to WordPress, you get this thing, you put it on your website. Super, super easy. You have your web guy do it for you if you don't want to do it. You pick a template, which is why I like WordPress. They have thousands and thousands of templates now. They look really pretty. You load links in your pages. And then you use something called Bookmarkify and FeedBurner. You using them, Jake? Very valuable tools, and I show you everything on that video, exactly how to do it, and you'll just see your traffic just shoot through the roof.
All right, let's take a look at 4 different types of blogs.
Well, we'll look at 2 right now. This is mine. Just write down these addresses, and I want you to look at them later. It's moremoneywithmagic.com/blog. You can learn magic.com is a 100% blog site, because you can also do that. If you don't have a website, you can make a blog your site, which is a really good idea. And then you make all those go to each other. And then write down these other 2 sites. Magicmarketingcenter.com. That's a great example of a friend of mine on the West Coast who made his entire website a blog. So easy. And it looks beautiful. You wouldn't even know it was a blog. Magicmarketingcenter.com. Here, I'll stop that. And then finally, a real fun is Yannick's Internet Lifestyles. So internetlifestyles.com. That's a really fun blog. But there's a great example of using all sorts of multimedia on his blog. Internetlifestyle.com. All right, so a couple fun blogs there. All right, but you'll see how easy it is. But now look at this, and I got to share this with you. This is about a 2-minute video. Write this down. You turn me on this, right? Man, this is my absolute lifesaver. If you can type a Word document, you can post to WordPress. I mean, you can post to your blog 1,700 times a day. This is how easy it is. You go to blogdesk.org and you download their free tool.
So Eric, well, I don't understand the difference though. Why do you use that? Why, I mean, why you just can't, you just go to WordPress and do it?
You can. Yeah, yes, you absolutely can go right into WordPress and post and paste right there. The only problem with WordPress and any blog software is that it's formatted differently than, let's say, Microsoft Word. So when you cut and paste something from Microsoft Word into a WordPress or a blog format, it whacks out a lot of the format. Some of the format comes with it, you know, so you end up, like if you try to do a space, you're going to get 3 spaces. It's just all whacked out, and even the fonts are whacked out.
Typically, you have to paste it into like Notepad first or something
Yeah.
to reform or take the formatting away, and that saves that.
Exactly.
The big advantage is if you have multiple blogs,
Right.
and the other huge advantage is that you can be typing all your blog posts if you're in a hotel or at the beach, or and then when you get back, you just hit that upload button. So it allows you to blog without even being online.
Well, so that if you wanted to post that to 3 different blogs, it would have done that.
It would have
Yeah.
posted it all. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's just such an easy tool. It really, I love it. All right, let's look at.
You can also do all your HTML embedding in there?
Yep, you can put you can upload whatever you want. Yeah, videos. I do all my videos that way now on the blogs. I do all everything. All my pages are designed that way because there's no cut. There's nothing. There's no formatting issues at all. Really, really, really easy. And again, what I like best about it is it's free. So right, that's even better. We like that.
Like when you're using blogs, is it just to get somebody to get to your website, or like are you answering, or once it's up there, you don't care what?
No, I don't comment on the comments once it's up there. I'm using, but I encourage comments, of course, because here's the beauty of blogging, and that's why you should be using it, is all of the comments are very keyword rich, meaning that whenever somebody responds back to a blog, they're saying, oh, well, I love that magic trick. What about this magic trick? And they're using my keywords all over the place.
So are they asking you for answers, or?
They might be, but other customers respond to them.
It is.
Other visitors respond to them. I mean, once in a while I will, but I usually save those questions for an upcoming newsletter.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So, like I have tons of comments on my videos.
So you do go back and look at them, and
I look at them just to make sure they're not pornography or curse words and stuff like that.